Now this is an example of the type of track that carries sensory information up to the cortex. And what is not shown here is a similar pathway that carries the motor information down. This is an example of one of those tracks. It's called the spinothalamic tract. And as you can see, you have sensory information coming in through the dorsal horn, and it receives information from pain and cold and warmth and crude touch and pressure and tickle and itch. Sensory information comes in, crosses over here, and then goes up in the sense that it goes up to the higher functioning parts of the brain, the cortex. It travels up, it goes through the medulla, it goes through the midbrain. It synapses here in the thalamus. That's why it's called the spinothalamic tract, because it goes from the spine to the spinal cord to the thalamus. And then from the thalamus, we'll learn a little later in this lesson, information is sent up to what's called the somatosensory cortex. This is an area of the brain that organizes your senses. And so we have the path going from senses, going up all the way through the thalamus into conscious awareness that you're experiencing that sense, the spinothalamic tract.